Okay, this is a very handy command. Not box. You already know about box. Let's just do 30 feet by 40 by 10. So this is going to be a simple building, right? Um, you'll have whatever crazy roof you want on top, whatever. But if you just want to make the walls, you can like make a rectangle, offset it inwards, however you do that, and then like make a surface and extrude that surface for the walls, right? Or you can make one wall at a time and it takes forever. Or you can do this. So you just do shell and you click the faces that you want to quote unquote shell, and um, then you just hit space. There you go. Done. You got your walls, you got your floor. If you just want walls, you can click these two, hit it, and it'll do that. Any faces that you click will disappear and it will not count them in the thing, basically. And it just adds thickness to the other walls. You can pick whatever thickness you want, so when you hit space, or when you hit the command, it'll say, like, oh, what do you want to select? You can also just hit a number and hit enter, and then when you hit it, it'll be that thickness. So if you check this thickness, it'll be 5. 5, cool. If you do shell, you can do like these three, and you'll get like a C, right? But basically what I do is shell, what thickness do you want? I normally just hit 1 if I'm doing a house. I mean, you really only need half foot walls. Well, yeah, anyway, I don't know. But I just don't care, and I'll just make it a foot, and I can always shrink them later. And then I'll just make a new box and make it -1. So then I have my roof. And then if you get your clipping plane, you can see, come on, you can see you have your room, and then you have your roof, which you can just hide temporarily while you fill the inside. And then, like, I don't know, you can put a table, right? Well, if you don't want to use a clipping plane, you just hide this, put your tables or whatever, and then show it, done, you got your roof back on. It's just a super quick way of making that. And then I forgot to show that you can do it with basically any Rhino NURBS object. So you can do shell. Don't do this side, it doesn't work. But you can do the top. Well, actually, let's see. Oh, it does work. But yeah, you can do that, or you can have some crazy curve shape and just make it solid. Extrude it, and then shell. Yay, got my shape. And then I would just duplicate this face, and then extrude it, and then move it down. That's how I would make that shape. It's just super quick and easy. Obviously, it's going to have to be straight up walls and down, straight up and down walls, but yeah, it's just very handy to quickly rough out stuff.